Hello and welcome to the final episode of Practical Classes on AutoCAD Made Easy Volume 2, written by Engineer Adebisi Akim T, my humble self. This video and the video in this series is sponsored by Computer Made Easy Limited. If you don't know what Computer Made Easy Limited is all about, Computer Made Easy Limited is a company in Nigeria, still emerging, and what they do is they teach various computer packages from the everyday day-to-day applications like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, up to advanced ones and more specialized ones like AutoCAD, Revit, SolidWorks, and what have you. If you like to learn more about AutoCAD, if you like to have AutoCAD classes, if you like to know more about SolidWorks or any other software package you want, you can call them or WhatsApp them on the number they're going to be displaying on the screen shortly. And also, you can always get across to them to get anything related to computers. I am your usual host, Engineer Adebisi AT is my name. I'm the author of AutoCAD Made Easy Volume 1, Volume 2, Volume 3, and let's ride on. So now we are here in AutoCAD interface, and as you can see, we've drawn 12 practicals. We're intentionally leaving this one out. So we want to export them so that we can take them to the printer and print them. We can have them in hard copy. So first, you should know that AutoCAD has two spaces. There's a model space, there's a layout space. So model space is where we do our designs and what have you, and layout space is like our paper where we do our exporting, our printing, rendering, and what have you. So I'll be going to layout view since I want to prepare my sheet. So first is I will need to prepare my sheet. AutoCAD doesn't draw itself, you have to instruct it. So first I want to instruct AutoCAD the kind of paper I'll be printing with. Then also I want to input some settings. So to do that, I'll right click and go to Page Setup Manager, and I'll new. Since this is an engineering drawing, an engineering standard is to draw in millimeters, we will be choosing a paper size in millimeters so that everything matches up. So since we are plotting to PDF and we now take the PDF to print, we'll be using this particular printer, DWG to PDF. Then the paper size, I'll be looking for A4 paper. Now particularly I prefer using ISO A4. The drawings I've drawn so far, they come with in landscape mode. This is portrait mode, this is landscape mode, so I'll be choosing this as my landscape mode. Also, what do you plot? Layout. Here the scale, I want my scale to be true scale, 1:1. Then plot side down, we're fine. Okay, so I will double click on it to make it current, and here it is. You see it's current here. Close. Now that's done. The next thing I would like to do is to bring my drawing from the model space to this space. I would like to bring practical 1 to this space. You also notice something on this page, which is this dotted line. This dotted line shows the printable area. Whatever is inside the dotted line will print. Whatever is outside the dotted line will not print. So to port my drawing from model space to layout space, I'll be using the command vports. Okay. So I'll be drawing right over the paper. Okay. Now you'll notice all of my drawings are showing at once because this is my current active view. That is why it's showing at once. What I would now like to do is, one, I would like to put my viewport scale to 1:1. Then I also drag it so that it fits. So I'll be using the pan tool. Come on. I'll double click inside the viewports. I want to put practical 1. Come on. Okay. Practical 2. No. I want to add practical 1. Okay. So I'm making sure as you can see, the edge of my paper fits perfectly well inside my drawing, and I can escape 2 times. You all now observe something, which is that oh no, undo. Okay. So you will observe something, which is this. My borderline, the one on the right and the one on the left, is inside the printable area, but this and some area of the title block is not inside the printable area. So I will be choosing another paper size for my drawing. So to edit that, I will come back, page layout, and I will modify the layout. For this, instead of using ISO A4, I'll be using ISO full breadth. Why use ISO full breadth? Because ISO full breadth papers have the biggest print size, the biggest print area. I saw A4 right a while ago. Okay, here. Because ISO full breadth has the biggest screen print area. Okay. Come on, baby. Immediately you will notice that my printable area has shifted. So I want to still continue using these viewports. What I'm simply doing is to adjust the edges. Okay. All I'm doing is adjusting the edges of my viewport to fit my drawing. Then I'll click on the viewport again and make sure it's 1:1. Okay, that's done. I will need to adjust my drawing on my sheet 2 so that it fits perfectly well. So, oh, perfect. And here we go. So now my drawing fits perfectly on my paper, and that's all for practical 1. Now I will go ahead and create for practical 2, 3, and export my drawings. So to create for practical 2, I'll go to a new layout 2. I already set my paper size and code here, so I'll double click and you see it's default now. Fine, I don't need this. I can set it myself. Thanks, but no thanks. Okay. And I invoke viewports. Come on. Viewports. Okay. Okay. Remember the drill. I'm choosing it 1:1 because I want a very precise drawing. And I come inside here, and I want my practical 2 here. Practical 4. No. Thank you. I want my practical 2 here. So position it such a way that it's there. Okay. Now you notice our drawings have grid. Why does it have a grid? is because our drawing has grid, of course, and we can easily turn it off by clicking on it and say grid off, grid off, and it's done. Whether you put it on or off, our grid is not going to appear on our final drawing, on our printout. I'm saving, so I want to go to layer 3. It's as simple as clicking on the layer. So double click on the layer already made. This time around I want to use this viewport. Okay. Okay. I want to change the scale of the viewport to 1:1. And now I want to bring to the screen practical 3. So I'm using pan to pan my drawing. Okay. And here you go, my practical 3 set. So now I'm going to go right away and print practicals 1, 2, and 3. But before I print those paper, you observe here that the edge of the paper I drew earlier on is inside the print area. So to avoid double border lines, I will shift these my papers onto a layer that will not print. By default, AutoCAD will provide for you layer depth point, so I can put them to depth points. Okay, so on depth point layer never prints. So the next thing I will do is to take them to PDF. Since I'm putting multiple sheets at once, I'll click on the first, then press down Shift key and select the rest. You notice immediately that the names of the layouts are now in white. So you right click and say publish selected layout. AutoCAD takes a while, then you see it's bringing them practical fine. You can easily change the location here, which I want to change to, okay, let me just put it on the desktop. Then I publish. And now my publishing job is in progress. So I'll wait, and my published job is completed. So let's go on desktop and see what we've plotted. Okay, and now here is my desktop, and you can see this is the file I just plotted. So I'll go out right ahead and open it and see the result of what we've done. Oh, beautiful. As you can see, this is page 1. Come on. Page 1. Why is it not scrolling down? Okay, as you can see, this is my page 1, beautifully plotted. Then page 2, beautifully plotted. Page 3, and I simply take this out to the printer and plot it. Thank you. So thank you for watching this far. To plot out all the remaining practicals 3 to 13, I'll simply follow the process I did to plot out practicals 1 to 3. This video is dedicated to all my teachers that I have learned from in one way or the other. May God bless you. And I also say a very big thank you to Computer Made Easy Limited that sponsored us to provide this video series. I implore you, if you would like to have Engineer Adebisi Akim T, myself, in your school or in your organization to teach AutoCAD or to lecture on computer aided learning, or you like to discuss business with me, you can reach me with my personal email, engineeridbc80@gmail.com. If you like to contact Computer Made Easy for your drawings of any kind, kindly do so by checking them on WhatsApp or on call. It's been my pleasure sharing my knowledge with you. God bless you all.